Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, and today we're making the perfect grazing box or grazing board or grazing table, whatever you want it to be. This is perfect for picnics, especially right now that we're coming out of lockdown. Don't you agree? I mean, I would go out and have a picnic and make this beautiful board. So, we'll make it today, and that's what we're doing. And if you like my content so far, please click subscribe, like the videos, comment down below on what you want me to do next, and I'll try my best to do that. And after that segment, now we can go. So, ta-da! So here are our ingredients or components for a perfect grazing board or box. So let's start with olives. We need some charcuterie, so it can be any cold cuts you want. Some dips. You want a fair bit of dips in there. You want different kinds of cheeses. You need some crackers, fruits, and quince paste. I'll put down the specific ingredients down below. So let's get started. So let's start off by cutting our watermelon. So what I usually do with this one is I cut it in half, just like so, to make it smaller, and then make cute triangles with it that people can have it instantly. Just to put it on the side so we can use it for later. Same thing with the other one, just cut it into pieces, put it on the side. Is next with the kiwi. So let's cut off the ends of the kiwi. One of the ends have this sharp pointy thing that you want to remove, so you want to cut it like this and twist, and it will come out easy. And then just like cut off the other end. And this one's the easy method to remove your kiwi. Just grab a spoon. My spoon is humongous, so just go around it like so. Let it go around. Make sure that it's digging into the skin as well. Go around it slowly. See, it's getting removed, so it comes out nice. You have it. And now what we're going to do is just going to cut it off into circles like so. And voila, you have sliced kiwi. Just put it on the side. Now we have some strawberries. Strawberries are kind of cheap at the moment, so if you want a lot of strawberries, go get some. So I'll just grab a few strawberries in here. So what we're going to do is basically cut it in half, like so. This is the fastest way to spread it around the board. So, ta-da! So now let's build our grazing board. I usually start with the dips because already it's in the container, and then my cheeses. So I spread it around the board as you could see, and they look so pretty. And I'm now trying to remove this quince paste, but giving me a hard time, but it's out. And now we just move forward to our charcuterie. So I usually have different kinds. So sometimes I roll them, sometimes I turn them into flowers, but in this end I'm just like rolling them at the moment and spreading it around the board. So usually I put them near the dips or near the cheeses depending on the order that I get, and I just like spread it around as much as I can, make it look full, and I just put in more charcuterie on that side there as well. That's sopressata as well. That's something that I really love whenever I make charcuterie boards because they're like, ooh, so tasty, and sometimes they're spicy too, so you can get the spicy one if you want to, and just keep putting more stuff into it. So we're going to our watermelon. The watermelon I usually go after every single thing because it's quite big, so you want to put it in there. So you want to spread around your fruits as well. So there's the kiwi. It looks so pretty the moment you get in there. So grapes, you can never have a grazing board without grapes. Some strawberries as well. Look at, see, I told you like they spread around quite nicely when you put it out. And then some blueberries. I forgot to say there's blueberries in this video. Well, actually, no. I didn't say anything about blueberries. But yeah, so now I'm just putting it around, spreading the olives too. And now the crackers. So these are gluten-free wafer crackers. So if people are gluten-free, this is kind of really the best thing so far. and just like spread it around. And then we're going to add in some more stuff into it, like Grissini Sticks. As you can see here, just adding some Grissini Sticks, and voila, you're done. There you go, time to go for a picnic. Thank you for watching the video, and again, click like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below.